Alright, let's begin by mixing all the dry ingredients together. Pour the sugar straight into the bowl, but it's best to
1 3/4 cups should do the trick. Then toss in 1 cup of unsweetened natural cocoa.
Registered. A heaping teaspoon of baking soda and another teaspoon of baking powder.
What I love about this recipe is how quick and simple it is. Just mix the batter, bake, add the cream, and make a small well in the center. It's a simple trick to help the dry and liquid ingredients come together nicely in one bowl.
Then add 1 cup of milk. Like the eggs, room temperature is ideal. But if the milk is cold and you're in a hurry, don't worry. Just give it a good stir. While the cakes are baking, let's quickly make some rich and delicious chocolate cream. Begin by whipping 2/3 cup of Alright, the whipped cream is ready, let's move on. Next, chop 2 bars of chocolate. I recommend using... Now, let's get to the main part of making the cream. First, we'll separate 3 egg yolks. Add a tablespoon of sugar and mix until smooth. I prefer my cream moderately sweet, but if you like, stir until everything is well combined, making sure to break up any sugar crystals and ensure the yolks blend evenly into the cream. Let the mixture cook until it thickens, but be careful not to let it boil. After removing the pot from the stove, quickly gently fold the chocolate mixture into the whipped cream. Work quickly here. You need to combine the cream and assemble the cake immediately, as the cream will firm up and become harder to spread as it sets. Well done, the cream is ready. Now let's get back to the cake layers. Now here's a little trick I love to use. Spinning the cake on the stand while gently carving lines into the surface with the handle of a fork.
That's it, the cake is ready. You can cut a slice and enjoy it right away, or share it with your friends. Either way.
And that does it for this episode. Thank you for joining me. If you like this video, hit subscribe. See you next time.